Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, students. Today we will solve exercise 6.1. So, exercise 6.1. So, first question says compare the fractions. Okay, we have to compare the fractions using the sign less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, students, so we have to compare the fractions using less than, greater than, or equal to sign. So first question is 6 upon 7 and 7 upon 21. We have to compare which is greater, which fraction is greater, 6 upon 7 is greater or 7 upon 21 is greater. Now students, you cannot compare these fractions because here in denominator there is 7 and here in denominator 21. We have to make it equal fraction. Okay, it is unlike fraction, we have to make it like fraction. What is like fraction? In like fraction denominators are same. So how will you make denominator same? To make denominator same, you have to find lowest common multiples. Okay, lowest common multiple means numbers which comes in both the table of 7 and 21, which is lowest. Okay, so here you will write 7 and 21, then you have to find the lowest number which can divide 7 or 21. So 2 cannot divide 7 or 21, 3 cannot divide 7 and 21, 4, 5, 6 cannot divide 7 or 21. Now students, 7 can divide 7 and 21. So write here 7, and then so 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is what? 7 3 is 21. Now students, here 1 you will write 1 exactly here 1, and 3 comes in only 3 table. Okay, 3 does not come in 2 table, so you will write 3 1s are 3. Now to find the LCM, you will multiply these two numbers. Okay, you will multiply these two numbers, 7 and 3. So let's write we are multiplying students these two numbers. So 7 into 3 is 21. So right here, so now we have to make the denominator 21. Okay, this denominator and this denominator and this denominator, we have to make it 21. So to make 7 21, we need to multiply it by 3. Okay, so we need to also multiply numerator by 3. So it will become and this side we don't need to multiply. Okay, because already there is 21 in denominator. So here it will become 18 upon 21, and here it will become 7 upon 21. Now here you can see that both the denominators are same. Okay, both the denominator are 21. Now you can compare the numbers. Can you tell me which number is greater? 18 upon 21 is greater or 7 upon 21 is greater? Of course 18 is greater than 7. So we will write 18 upon 21 is greater than 7 upon 21. What is 18 upon 21? It is 6 upon 7. Okay, 18 upon 21 is 6 upon 7. So 6 upon 7 is greater than 7 upon 21. This is our answer. Okay, now let's go to next question. First B, 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 10. Okay, this is your homework students. It is very easy question. you have to make the denominator same. You have to find which number comes in both 5 and 10's table. Okay, so you know that 10 comes in both 5 and 10's tables, so you have to make the denominator same, and then you have to compare the numerator. Now I will solve this question 9 upon 10 and 10 upon 9. So first, as you know that both the denominators are different. Okay, both the denominators are different. Here denominator is 10 and here denominator is 9. So we have to find the number, we have to find the LCM, means लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. हमको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है छोटा से छोटा लोवेस्ट जो दोनों के टेबल में आता है, जो 10 के टेबल में भी आता है और 9 के टेबल में भी आता है. और आप जानते हो ऐसा एक ही नंबर है, वो है 90 जो है 10 के टेबल में भी आता है और 9 के टेबल में भी आता है. So students, to make it 90, what we'll do, we will multiply 10 by 9. Okay, so we need to also multiply numerator by 9, so it will become 9 into 9 divided by 9 into 10. Here to make denominator 90, we need to multiply 9 by 10. So here multiply 10, then you need to also multiply 8 by 10, so it will become 8 into 10. Here 9 into 9 will become 81 and 9 into 10 will become 90. Here 80 divided by 90. Now you can compare these numbers. Here you can see that both the denominator are 90 and 90. Okay, and after that you will compare the numerator. In numerator there is 81 and here it is 80. So can you tell me which is greater, 81 or 80? So of course 81 is greater. So here what is there 81 by 90? It is 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10 is greater than 8 upon 9. So this is our answer, students. It is very easy question. Now let's go to question number 1D. 5 upon 6 and 12 upon 13. Now here you can see that both the denominators are different. Here denominator is 6, here denominator is 13. So first what you need to do, you need to make both the denominator equal. So आपको ऐसा छोटे से छोटा नंबर फाइंड करना है जो 6 के टेबल में भी आता है और 13 के भी टेबल में आता है. ओके, so let's write here, let's find LCM. So first you write like this, and first you know that 6 comes in 6 tables. Okay, so it will become 1 times. Then the 13 does not come in 6 tables, so what we'll do, you just will write 13 here. Now we have only one numbers remaining, that is 13, so write here 13. So 13 1 times 13. Okay, so to find the LCM, what we'll do, we'll multiply these two numbers. So LCM of 6 and 10 will be 6 and 13 will be 6 into 13. So our answer is 78. Now students, what we need to do, we need to make these denominators. Okay, we need to make these denominators 78. So to make 78, what we'll do, we'll multiply 6 by 13. So we need to also multiply numerator by 13. Okay, here 12 by 13. Okay, to make the 78, what we'll do, you will multiply by 6 here. So you will also need to multiply numerator by 6. Okay, now it becomes 65 divided by 78 and 72 divided by 78. Now you can compare these numbers. You know that 72 is greater than 65. So our answer will be 5 upon 6 is less than 12 upon 13. Now that's how we have to compare these numbers. Now if there is any other question, okay students, see you in next session. Bye.